What's up, guys? We gotta talk all things crypto, especially Jasmine. The market is looking great, but before we get into that, I gotta show you this real quick. I also trade stocks, and I've been doing it for quite some time now. We've covered Palantir, Draftsy. I mean, we covered a lot of different stocks, but AMD was a stock I talked about again on June 16th. New stock, well, sort of time to buy. So basically, I was letting everyone know in the Patreon, link is down below, by the way. AMD, we've talked about this before earlier this year, before it ran up. Check previous posts. Current price 159. This is a great long-term buying opportunity in my opinion. So if you would have been a part of my Patreon, you would have taken that trade, you'd be up over 17% as of today. You can see AMD's actually up over 4% on the day. They just launched some news. Not gonna share that with you. This is not what this video is about, but I just wanna let you guys know. And honestly, guys, it's a steal. I wanna make this as simple as possible. There's a lot of gurus out there that will charge you $100 a month, $200 a month. Mine is $7.99 per month. It's been open for almost 2 years now. We have a great community. And this is just stocks, learning about stocks, learn the charts, learn the RSI, stochastic, Fibonacci, when to buy, when to sell. If you pay for the whole year, you actually get $1 off per month. So it's actually $7 a month. So it's less than like $80 for the whole year, which is just crazy. So again, if you're interested, the link is down below. It's pretty cool when you break down Jasmine, you see that it's about $1 billion market cap, and you can 10x your investment with this just going to a $10 billion market cap. Like, that is absolutely insane. $10 billion market cap seems like pennies for a coin like Jasmine. So what is your guys' thoughts on this? Do you believe Jasmine's on discount right now? I'll show you the charts in a second. And I made a video yesterday talking about Bitcoin, and really depends what Bitcoin does next. It's decision-making time, especially this week. I shared the Fibonacci with you. I told you where we were holding, where we could potentially go next if we close the weekly candle under a certain price. If you haven't seen that video, make sure you watch it. I posted it yesterday. But $1.19 billion market cap for Jasmy, absolute discount in my opinion. Max total supply 50 billion. Great tokenomics, circulating supply 49.3 billion, and it's ranked number 63. If you guys have been with me, make sure you drop a like. I would always appreciate that. If you've been with me for months now, you remember when Jasmy was over 100, and I said we're gonna get to the top 50, and then I said we're gonna get to the top 25. Well, I think we got to number 49 or 48, and I think we're heading to the top 25 very soon. Right? We've broken down dominance and really how this plays a huge role with the overall crypto market. Bitcoin holds over half of the market cap right now. So obviously that dominance is very high. That needs to come down and more money will flow into altcoins. The chart behind me is the last 7 days for Jasmy. Right now we're trading at 2417, which is good. You can see the last 7 days, we hit a pretty low point. This was my buy zone for you guys around the 0.019 range that I alerted all of you about. If you're just a part of my YouTube, which is totally free, I said 22 to 19 is a buying opportunity. Well, the good news, guys, is we're actually building some support right here. We're making higher lows. So we'll see how the rest of the day plays out and the rest of this week. Again, the weekly candle closes on Sundays, and that's going to tell us a lot of what next week is going to look like for Bitcoin and altcoins. There's really mixed reviews as I look on social media and X. There's some people, I honestly think it's like 50-50 right now, where a lot of people think Bitcoin's just going to move much higher from here and the floor is in. And then you have the other people that are like, no, Bitcoin's floor is not in, we're going much lower. And I have to say that it really depends on this week and where the candle closes, like what I explained on yesterday's video. So no one really knows what's gonna happen right now, but my guess, and again, this is not financial advice, I'm not a financial advisor, it's all my own opinion, in the next 6 months, Bitcoin will be priced much higher. And that's all I care about. I like to think more long-term. I don't like to day trade and get in and out every single day of stocks and crypto. That is a losing method, I believe, unless you're very good at what you're doing. And that's a very small percentage of this world. So I like to buy and hold. And that's why I share different chart setups with you guys and make it super simple for $8 a month. And you wanna invest in yourself and you wanna start to learn this stuff. And join the community in the Discord because we have awesome people in there and great conversations. But let me know down below what you think of Jasmy. Do you think now is the time to buy, and this thing is about to move past 4.4, which was the most recent high? You know I have resistance at 5.3 to 5.4 as my next area, and then 8 to 8.5 cents. This will all depend on any news Jasmy puts out and what Bitcoin and Ethereum decide to do. Appreciate you all. Don't forget to subscribe. Hope you have a great day, and we'll see you on the next one.